Hi everyone. So some of you might remember my minimal fashion post on do you need a lot of clothes to be fashionable, and the answer is no. I actually don't own too many clothes, but I love fashion, I love style, I post OOTD so often, and which is why I thought the lockdown is actually the perfect time to start a series on minimal fashion, because no one can shop, no one can go to the malls, no one can shop online. What minimal fashion entails is items that work with each other, neutral colors, basics, classic and essentials that pretty much majority of people would own, right? And essentially what I'm going to do in the series is that every week take an item or a combo and show you how that can be styled in various different ways. And the items that it will be used to style with will also fall into the category of a basic and essential or a classic. And I'm going to do this every week. And one of the things I love about minimal style is that it suits all body types, all skin colors. Like, it looks good on everyone. And in order to highlight that, I am also going to ask one or two Insta moms every week to join me for the theme of that week, and I'll help them style their outfits too if needed, and they will be posting those style outfits as well. I've never been like a fashion or a style blogger per se, even though I do load a lot of OOTDs, and that was because I have always followed minimum fashion and very neutral in colors, very classic in colors, the combinations, the fits that I wear, etc. But then I figured, why not? Why not share that? Because what if it just might work for other people and other people might click with it. I do hope this encourages people to declutter, buy less, buy only what you intend to use, and not have overflowing wardrobes. It's something that I picked up when I was traveling with Karma because I wanted my luggage to be light, and then it trickled on to my wardrobe as well. And when I went to Copenhagen, like, my eyes just opened to what minimal style is, and it just clicked, it just stayed with me, and that's what I've been following since then. And even though, like, I generally do not actually own that many clothes, but I want to reduce it further. Like, I really want to come down to a capsule wardrobe. That is my aim, and hopefully one day I will get there, because trust me, the less clutter we have in our life physically, the less clutter we have in our life mentally, and that actually does work. These are these simple things that work. So I'm very excited about doing this. I hope it goes well. Please do follow for a couple of weeks so that you can get a feel of what minimal style is, and you will realize that you will actually not miss anything. You will not feel a dearth of outfits at all. So fingers crossed, post starting this week, and new theme every week, new combination every week. But one theme or one combination, but multiple outfits, formal, casual, etc. Stay tuned and wish me luck.